it's Sume again. I have another unboxing that I wanted to do. Same day purchase. Got a little SLG, small leather good. So this is something that I've been also wanting. So this is, I'm sorry, my husband's been telling me to stop saying and I'm trying really hard, so I'm gonna do a count of how many times I say So this is the 6-key pouch in the Damier Ebene print, brown interior. I believe this also comes in, the pink, the rose. I wanted this because if you see my keys, not too many. When I throw it in my bag, it starts to scratch up a couple of things. I wanted something to, better protect, keep it nice and neat, and how better can it get with something that matches the never full Damier Ebene bag that I just purchased. And this could go with any LV bag or any bag. Keeps it nice and clean and, where it doesn't scratch up. So it's the gold hardware leather material up here. I don't know if you can see, if I zoom in, it has the Louis Vuitton name on top. And then it also has it here in the red. And it has like a little pocket where you could, essentially put credit cards or, maybe like a couple dollars in there, little notes that you need to keep, or where you parked your car. That's something that I would definitely need because I always forget where I parked my car. And it buttons up here and it's really nice and neat. So now I'm gonna put the keys in and then let you see that I hope I could fit everything in there, including the key fob. Here, I think it should be able to fit, so let's see. So, I was able to put in all of my keys. I don't have that many, and it's kind of amazing. Let you see, I have 3 keys total. I have my skull keys, because I love skulls. And I was able to fit my key fob car thing, remote starter thing here. It's pretty bulky. I was a little iffy whether or not this would fit in, but I kept the, there's a little key ring with it. I don't think it would have been a little difficult to put it on because of the hard plastic. So I left this so that way now it's a little longer. So I'm gonna probably try to find a smaller ring to fit this little key fob thing. But it was pretty bulky and I'm like, uh-oh, I don't know if I could fit it, but look, it actually closes. I know this is hanging out. I'm gonna find something to make it shorter where it could kind of hold up a little bit more. But I love it. Like, everything's nice and neat, and it's able to hold everything. I can throw this in my purse without having to worry about my keys scratching up my bags, the inside of my bags, or like the things that are inside of my bags, like my little pochette or my wallet or anything else. And it doesn't snag on anything, and it kind of eliminates like the jangling noise that you have in your purses sometimes. So this is really nice. The size on this is, it's about 4 inches in length, and it's 2.8 inches in height. So, it's a really small, you can see like, it fits like the palm of my hand. This is really cute. I could see, if I just need my keys, if I just need to get in the house, like I would just leave that one hanging out, and then I could just hold it like that. I'm gonna have to add a counter on this video because I've probably said about 20 times. And then I could just leave my car key, fob out. This is really cool. I really like it. It's really nicely made. I could see this lasting a while. to say about it. I would definitely recommend it, and it also comes in the monogram. It also comes in the epi leather, and it, you know, comes in many different variations. But this is nice. I just wanted something to match the bag that I hopefully will be keeping. All right, and that concludes my little unboxing of the 6 key ring key holder by Louis Vuitton and my short little review. If I'll probably post, I guess, a wear and tear video later on to see how this holds up, but I don't see this being an issue. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.